Well, there's about 120 bucks Sky Marks and got a Delta lanyard on. This is Allegiant 1302 CVG-PIE. It's 90 St. Petersburg. Get the safety card. This is old. This is an old safety card. And it's beat up too. First time on an Airbus. The wing view is nice.
Walk over to Allegiant flight with service to safety. In order to expedite our departure, we ask that you please step out of the aisle when you reach your assigned seat. This will keep the aisle clear for other customers to pass. Seats A, B, and C are on your right, D, E, and F are on your left. Because we're operating under an automated weight and balance system, it's important that all of our passengers sit in the exact seat that they were assigned. It is for your safety. If you brought a personal item on board today, these are purses, laptop bags, backpacks. Those need to go underneath the seat in front of you. It'll be necessary to utilize that under seat space in every row so we can save the overhead bins for the larger clipboard carry-on bags. You're welcome to use your mobile phones while we're at the gate and the boarding doors open. Feel free to use smartphones, tablets, and e-readers at any time as long as the devices such as airplane mode and the cellular service is turned off. Your larger devices such as laptop computers and DVD players must be stowed prior to pushback either in a bag under the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Thanks for your assistance.
Oh, stupid camera messing up. Lindsay! Oh, I'm getting that Southwest. Oh, the camera won't pick it up, but there's a Southwest 737-700. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Oh, I might be able to see my bag. Hey, Dad. I might be able to... Mac Daddy did. Okay. We might be able to see our bags. They're putting them on the plane. Baggage loaders. Well, there went something. I gotta get my focus thing fixed. There we go. Oh, Southwest. Hello, buddy. You're going to Midway. Oh man, that's so awesome.
Where's your other lens? You need it?
No, it's in the bag. I don't need it though. Oh, got the GoPro all hooked up. And I can get a view from up here, so here we go. Works out just fine. More bags coming on. I think we're done with the bags. Tug. Let's see, wheels up time is 12:18. What time is it?
Allegiant flight number 1302 with service to St. Petersburg. The captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign indicating we will be departing shortly. Federal law requires that all carry-on baggage be stowed securely beneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. If you need any assistance, please notify a flight attendant. We'll be happy to assist you. The flight deck door is located in the front of the aircraft. No unauthorized personnel should attempt to enter the flight deck. For those passengers who are seated in the emergency exit row, you may be called from step and then exit in the event of an emergency. Please read the criteria found on the safety information card located in the seat back pocket near you.
Huh,
If you're
I wonder where mine
unwilling to perform these functions, please notify a flight attendant. We'll be happy to reseat you. Electronic devices may interfere with the navigational system of the aircraft. At this time, please ensure that I'll serve that beverage to them. In addition, we may not serve any alcoholic beverage to any person who appears to be intoxicated. Our estimated flying time today is 1 hour and 47 minutes while forward.
Is that you, Ray? I have no idea if that's you. I told him to come over here, so that might be him. I don't think that's Ray. Yeah.
You got beer?
Well, I'm trying to see. It's kind of hard, but I don't think that's Ray. He might be in like an ASIG truck. And we're about to push. Yeah, you can feel, push back tab.
Okay.
Look at that, over by Lindsay, there's a Southwestern Canyon Blue. You can barely see it. It's a Canyon Blue. It's out there. They're taking pictures. I wish something would come over here. There's been like no action. Yeah, but we're definitely gonna go to 18 left. Hilarious. Ooh, we finally something
Once again,
happening.
ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Allegiant flight with service to safety. While we want to ensure that your trip on Allegiant Air is a comfortable one, our primary interest is in your safety.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
You should read the safety information card from the seat pocket near you and follow along as we demonstrate the safety features of this A319 aircraft. Normally, to tighten, pull the tabs located on either side of the mask and be aware that the bag may not inflate although oxygen is flowing. If you're seated next to a small child or someone needing assistance, then carry your mask first and then assist the other person. As detailed in the safety information card, in the unlikely event of a water landing, there are passenger life vests which may be used by both adults and children located under each passenger seat. First, take the life vest from beneath your seat, tear open or remove the vest from the pouch, place the vest over your head with the panels on your chest, wrap the strap around your waist, and buckle in the front. To tighten, pull in the loose end of the strap. Upon exiting the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down sharply on the red inflation handle. It may also be inflated manually by blowing the red tube at the top. Each life vest is equal to the water-activated locator light. We are a non-smoking airline. Smoking and the use of all tobacco products is prohibited while aboard the aircraft. This includes, but is not limited to, e-cigarettes and similar devices. No smoking and fasten seatbelt signs and posted placards are located throughout the cabin. Federal regulations require that passengers observe these signs and comply with the member instructions. To tamper with, disable, or destroy laboratory smoke detectors is a federal offense. In preparation for takeoff, please be certain that your seatbelts are securely fastened, your tray table and seat back are in their upright and locked position, and all carry-ons are properly stood. As well, all mobile devices should be in airplane mode or cellular service turned off. In a few moments, we'll be dimming the cabin lights. There's a reading light, air vent, and a call button, and a passenger service seated above your seat. We now invite you to relax and enjoy the flight. If there's anything that we can do to make your flight more comfortable, please don't hesitate to ask.
It's just the screen goes black when you start recording. Some flap action. Oh, we're gonna be on the backlit side, I think, because we're going to 18 left. And here's the taxi. That's a 744 or 748. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna let the GoPro handle the takeoff. Oh, we're gonna go by that Polar 747 that's taxiing up there. Come on, tower, clear us already. Hurry up, I want to see that Polar 74. Hurry up and clear him, tower. Are we waiting for a lander? We probably are. Probably holding short for a lander.
Coming at us too, ain't they?
No, that's just parked on the taxi. Wait, maybe it is. He has the lights on. Oh, no way. No, he is. He's going to 27, I think. The Kalita. 7-4. Yeah, he is on the taxiway. Oh, no way. Oh, we're taking 18 left. Oh, Frontier. DHL 76275, oh, 220CY, Polar 748, 744s. Oh, there's a 748. Oh, that's so freaking awesome. Oh, that is so awesome. Man, Airbuses just don't feel the same as Boeing. Like on that takeoff, I didn't get a rush. Like you get like a rush in like a 737, you don't get it in Airbus. Airbuses just don't feel the same. Dude, seriously, a second ago, this freaking lady behind me, they just said she wanted to fly in a Kalita 7-4. I'm like, that's cargo. It's great. Oh, we're gonna do, yep. Here's the turn for Petersburg, just a little bit. Oh my god, I swear. Oh yeah, we got the deli snack pack, bro. We got some Coke. Oh, this is lit. Oh hey, spotting planes from a plane. It's like a little CRJ or something. I wish I had flight radar so I could track it, but it's like a CRJ. See it down there. I love spotting planes from a plane.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned that fasten seatbelt sign back on. If you're up and about the cabin, please return to your seat, fasten your seatbelt, and secure your seat. Please just make sure your seatbelt. all seatbelts be securely fastened. All tray tables and seat backs must be in their upright and locked position, and all carry-ons properly stowed. Please ensure your larger electronic devices such as laptop computers and DVD players are stowed at this time and have any signal transmitting capabilities turned off. Once you're on the ground, feel free to use your mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices while we taxi to the gate. Flight attendants will be coming down the aisle one last time to accompany our meeting. Service items will be landing shortly.
Thank you.
There's the gear. We're definitely approaching PIE. If you thought planes couldn't land on a food, then you're wrong. Fail at it. Oh yeah, PIE is like right at the end of this right here. 500. I actually have no idea what altitude we're at right now.
So that's Tampa. No, that's not Tampa there.
No.
Tampa would be on the other side.
Yeah. I want to do the Airbus call. That's so bad. There's PIE. Military stuff. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Retard. And that's a hard landing. It's the hardest landing I've ever had. Everyone in the cabin just freaked out, and I'm just sitting here all normal. Oh, UPS A300, 752. Oh, the Visit Florida delivery's here. I'm so gonna get I'm going over to the gate and I'm taking a picture of that. I am taking a picture of that, dude. That is the Visit Florida delivery. Please tell me the new livery's here. Allegiant. Is the Visit Florida's here? Is the new livery here? No way, 752. That's like a private 752. I feel like I recognize that. That might belong to like a baseball team. Look at these MD-80s.
What is that? What is that?
That's a 757. It's like a private charter 757. Man, I want to go up to that, dude. It's its signature. sound like a dog barking. Bro, the Allegiant, of course the Allegiant new livery's not here. Of course the Allegiant new livery's not here. Bro, MD-80s, A320s. The new livery's not here, but the Visit Florida one's here. I've seen Make-A-Wish like a billion times, so I want to get a picture of Visit Florida. Wait, are we going to a jet bridge or are we deboarding by stairs?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to safety. Local time is approximately 2:11. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a final stop. Once the captain has turned off that fasten seatbelt sign, that will be your only indication that it's safe to get up and gather your personal belongings. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins, that will tend to shift during flight. Please refrain from smoking until safe inside the terminal and then only in designated smoking areas. You may now use your mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices, however, laptop computers may not be used at this time. If you're claiming luggage here in St. Pete, please call the signs to baggage claim. Our uniformed representatives will be happy to assist you regarding ground transportation or baggage claim. On behalf of your entire Cincinnati-based flight crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us today. It's been our pleasure serving you. We hope to see you on another Allegiant flight. You can visit our website at allegiant.com to book future flights, hotels, car rentals, and purchase tickets for local attractions, shows, and more.
There's a C-130 over there. A U.S. Army C-130, dude. That's awesome.
It's Coast Guard, isn't it?
If you've requested wheelchair assistance with us today, we do ask that you
Yeah, it's Coast Guard.
remain seated and allow others to pass. This will allow us to better
My dad
assist
just
you.
corrected me.
Once
That's pretty
again,
rare.
have a great day here at St. Pete.
All these anxious people undoing their seatbelts, and I'm just like chilling, man. Just waiting in, because I'm going in the cockpit. Like I do on every flight.
Everybody needs to be seated with their seatbelt securely fastened until we park at the gate.
Exactly. Freaking anxious people. Don't even get to the gate yet. They're already jumping off the plane. Yeah, that's a closed runway. They used to have MD-80s parked on there. C-130, that is so awesome. Coast Guard C-130. Oh, we're parking at, oh dude, UPS 757. Oh, A300. Oh, that's so awesome. I swear if we park next to, no way, we're parking right next to Visit Florida. Oh my god, this is actually amazing. Bro, this is actually amazing. Visit Florida's like right freaking there. I'm about to start spamming pictures, so I'll be back. Oh man, Visit Florida's awesome. UPS traffic up there. I want to see the Allegiant new livery. I'm going to be looking out for it.